Me rise up like the morning sun. Them can't stop me, the battle done. The light a shine, me victory won.
Just like that, nature walk. Natural nature. All the birds just out. And nice birds, man. Look at that. Natural nature, oh yeah. Nature is the best. Wow. God is the greatest. God is real. Fly away. Yeah, peeps. Down here is nice natural nature. Nice trail, you know. Just walk around. And it's nice to be out summertime. Listen to the birds, lots of birds here. Yeah. There's peeps, you know, this is true nature, you know. Yeah. Can't want more than this. Real nature, this peeps. Yeah. All the nice birds I'm singing. Natural nature, peeps. Listen, natural nature. Natural nature, peeps. Listen, natural nature. Oh my God, listen. Beautiful. Beautiful sound. Early morning sound. Exercising. Birds are talking to each other. Nice water plant over here, peeps. Natural nature. Natural nature. Love the sounds of the birds.
We could always end it.
Peeps are gonna have a baseball later on. So they're cleaning the field right now. Man. This is beautiful. Nice trail, man. So you're having a baseball game later on. It's gonna be hot. But guess what? Rain, sun. This guy's always cleaning, cutting the grass, having a big game later on. Yes, peeps, so I'm almost home now. After a nice walking, nice exercise in the morning. ER is walking home right now. Yeah, close to my neighborhood, right next to my neighborhood here. All these baseball ranks. Today is gonna be a big game today. It's gonna be very humid, but these guys, nothing stopped these guys. Rain, sun or shine, these guys are always out here. You could always see the nice park around my neighborhood. Fields over there. These guys are cutting grass, and I'm just giving a circle right around. And this is what ER neighborhood is all about. So now ER is walking right now. These guys are the city guys, picking up all of the garbage, doing everything else. And a good job. What's up, buddy? Everything okay? Nice to see you. Yeah. See the guys in the morning. All right, peeps. So ER, I just want to say thank you guys for watching again. And thank you guys for giving me a thumbs up. And guys, don't afraid to leave a comment. And tell a friend. And tell a friend. That's how ER always keep busy around. Bye-bye for now.